What's happening, guys? As the title suggests, I've got the Nismo bumper now on the car. So basically just wanted to show you guys what it looks like out of the shop. I really love it. Some people may not feel the same way. My brother reckons it's not as aggressive as the Altia front bumper, but I beg to differ. I think it looks great. So take a look and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so here's the car. Obviously the bumper bar's on there now. They also sprayed the spoiler as well, the same color as the car now, so it all looks matching and it all looks good. Personally I love the bumper. I think it's something really different. You don't see too many of these bumpers around anymore, and I really think it suits the car. Kind of gives it that bit more of a, I guess it looks a bit racy, to be honest with you. Looks like it's obviously a different R34 than before. Obviously this is what my car is going to end up looking like, except without the LMGT3s. I've got some different wheels that I will be putting on the car, and obviously a few other bits and pieces, but for the most part this is basically what I'm basing my car off of, is this picture here, or this model kit basically. Look, to be honest with you, the Nismo S-Tune that we went through before, the yellow ones, they are, I think there's only about 3 or 4 of them in the world, and they were basically used to do the press release of the Nismo FR catalogue. I've showed you guys my friends before. This is one of them here. There's 2 in Australia that I know of. Both of them I'm friends with the guys that own them. So this is one here. This one is basically exactly the same as what the one is on the cover of the catalogue. The second one, which is popping up now, is a little bit different. Both of these cars here were used in the catalogue for the Nismo parts. So there's 2 in Australia. Both of them were used for the parts catalogue. They're the only obviously registered numbers of the S-Tunes that were ever manufactured, so to speak. So basically these 2 here, they were they were in this book here. So the pictures that you see of the cars in this book are those 2 cars there. The S-Tune options, basically what I found out is that you used to be able to take your car to Nismo or the Amori factory in Japan, and you would tell them what you wanted, and you would ask them for the S-Tune package, which is like a sports tune, and they would change a variety of different things. I'm in the process of finding out a bit more about it, but for the most part it was just obviously engine modifications, body modifications. But back to my car. So I actually really love the front. I'm interested to know how you guys feel about it. Obviously with the headlights polished up now, it looks quite good. I'm pumped to see the car moving forward. Obviously it became a bit stagnant there for a while. We didn't do much work to it, and I was waiting because of work and other commitments and things like that. I just got a bit busy, but it's on the car now. Next is going to be the wheels, which are getting powder coated and sprayed at the moment. You guys are going to be pumped to see that, but I'm interested to know you guys' feedback of what you thought of the bumper bar, whether you like it or don't. I myself, I love it, but I understand it's not everyone's taste. Quick video today, guys. Thanks for everyone who tunes in. Thanks to all the subs. Truly, I can't thank you guys enough. But yeah, all good, and stay tuned for the next video.